Hi guys, the question was, can I solder onto the magnesium strips? So I've just got a little scrap piece of magnesium strip there that I've shined up, as you can see. So we'll just see if it'll take ordinary solder. I don't expect it to, but you know, I'm willing to be surprised. There's something happening to the surface, but it doesn't appear to be taking the solder. I don't know, there's something. It looks like it's building up something underneath the solder. Is that going to be hot? Yes, that's going to be hot. Can't get hold of it. Why can't I get hold of it? There we go. Yeah. Although there's solder sitting there, I don't think it's actually warmed, or has it? That's warmed up now. Well, maybe it has. Maybe it has. Hold that still. Tiny little bit of wire. Put that on there. Allow it to cool down. And then give it a tug. See if it comes off. All right. Yeah. There we go. So although it looked like it had made a contact with it, it didn't. I'll just scrape that again. You can see it's got some sort of oxide formed on it. It's nice and shiny again. Somewhere here I got some solder paste that is supposed to help in this sort of situation. I think the answer has got to be no, not with standard solder and standard flux. It's not working. It's worth a try, but I expect if you're one of these chemical chemist type people who know what the actual chemical reaction is, you'd be able to tell me why it isn't working. But it will be something to do with the metal in the solder, tin and the lead and whatever else they put in there, and the magnesium not combining in a fluid state. Or quite simply, there's an oxide forming straight away before the metals are getting together, so they're not actually forming they're not actually going metal to metal and getting an oxide in between them. Doesn't matter how much I rub that and try and scrape the surface, It's not happening. So no, it don't appear to work for me. Feel free to leave your advice in the comments, but it ain't working for me. Just thought I'd try that stuff, which I've had for years. 68p. And that didn't work either. One last thing to try. Used to use this all the time when I was soldering up fuel tanks for my model aeroplanes. It's acidic. So I've cleaned this again. Shiny. Dip that in there and you can see it's instantly being eaten away by the acid. So that ain't going to help. Oh dear. Yeah, a little bit too strong, that stuff. Nah, that's not going to do it. I think we've just eaten the magnesium away. Okay, well that's my extent of fluxes. I think that was a good example of the acidic flux, just ate the magnesium. Yeah, okay, well we tried. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.